Good evening guys, and welcome back to another episode. So all we've been doing tonight is a nice little bit of shooting with our Remington and down there. From this point here, it's about 25 yards, so just doing a little bit of zero in. But what I'm going to do is show you that it does pay to get the right pellets for your rifle, because I've got some Bisleys, H&Ms, QYS and Hades JSB Match Diablo. All good quality pellets, but all act very differently in your rifle. So what I'll do, turn it around and I'll show you. And again, this is over 25 yards of shooting, so laid down prone position, so there's not very much movement related to the shooter itself. It's all down to where the pellet performs in your particular rifle. Now, some of these pellets work fantastic on other rifles, but for my particular weapon, you'll be able to see my preferred round, which is the Bisleys. Now guys, I'm going to show you the Bisleys first. Again, 25 round, 25 yards, zero in, and that again is very, very tiny. It's about the size of your thumb. H&Ns, again, all in that group. These are 5 round groups as well. As you can see, I've had, what, 4 on here, and then 1 straight. Got 1 up here, 1 here, and then 3 round there again. Size of your thumb, but again, QYS literally flies everywhere. 2 through the same hole, then them 4 there. But again, size of your thumb, and 1 just outside. So they're not my favourites. And then Hades, again, shooting pretty well, but they actually shoot off to the left with my particular rifle. So you can see 2 there, 1 there, and then them 2 there. So yeah, if it was for me, for pest control, I'd use these 2. If I readjusted my rifle, I could get these in, but I'm not going to adjust my rifle when these 2 shoot perfect and they've got good knockdown power. And again, 9.7 grain, and they're about 10.5. These, by the way, 13.34, these shoot perfect as well. They're a very, very good round. So yeah, but yeah, as everything goes, these 2 perform best in my rifle. They are a waste of money, as you can see. And then yeah, again, they're pretty decent.